country. Make some noise for Malaika Arora. Yes, please come on stage. Thank you so much, Malaika. So, Malaika, just one question. आप इतने से लगते हो हमेशा.
फिर से कहोगे? ये माइक आपका प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. फिर से कहो. Well, thank you so much. That's very, very kind of you. Hello, everybody. Hello. आज नहीं हो सोना, पता है ना? आज पूरी रात गाय पार्टी करेंगे. Are you ready for that? Yes. Huh? You have to stay awake all night. You need me to say something?
I just want to say that it's amazing to have Malla here to launch this song. She, like I said, is a trendsetter. There could be nobody better to launch a party song, a dance song. So, yeah, I guess it's time. You want to do the honors? You just have to tell them to play it and they will. It's your wishes that come on, Malla, today.
All right. Well, firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for inviting me here so much. Thank you so much. I could never say no to you. But she sweetly asked me, you got to be really good to your neighbor, right? That's the first thing. Pata chale kal ghar mein awaaz kar rahe, so I have to make sure that Soap and her mom are fine if I make any noise in the house. Exactly, before she has any issues with that. So we're literally neighbors, and I never ever say no. We go back a really long time, so I'm really glad, I'm really happy, and I'm really proud of this moment. So let's not waste any more time with no further ado. Can we have the track, guys? Let's hear it!
For the very first time, Ajneo Sona.
खाली माइक सो सकता है आज की रात, आप लोग कोई नहीं सो सकता. Can I have the official unveiling? It's right there. आपका फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी मिल रहा है. Yeah. Press.
Very good.
सबको फोटो मिलेगा.
फाल्गुनी अरे वायरल भाई फाल्गुनी खड़ी हो जा. अरे स्टिल साइड स्टिल विरल एक मिनट वीडियो
अरे रुके भाई.
अरे यार दत्ता
May I invite video director Jagish Singh, choreographers Piyush and Sazia, and the one and only Rocky S to join the stage, please.
हाँ यार इधर बस आपकी कैसा बस समझा.
अरे बस ना खाली.
फिर तू बना.
नहीं मांगे.
Harry and Mahek.
हाँ बोलना.
Thank you so much. And now because choreographers Piyush and Shazia are there on stage, mic का problem आ रहा है तो आप डांस करवा सकते हैं.
हाँ, माइक का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो हम डांस करा सकते हैं. वैसे मलाइका यहाँ आई हैं और वो जो भी गाना करती हैं उसका डांस स्टेप तो आइकॉनिक हो ही जाता है. एंड डांस तो करना ही पड़ेगा. But we start a little bit from the beginning before we get into ours. So, are you ready? Do you remember all your steps? Oh no, we're gonna ask you to do it. No, one second. I'll tell you when it cues. set to become iconic, the one and only Malaika to do it with us. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mala, for being here. Thank you, everybody. Manj and I are here for our one-on-ones. And thank you. Photos? Yes, of course. Against the backdrop, for sure. We can do that.
अरे खाली
अजय
Malaika and Sophie want together. Malaika together. Start from here, ma'am.
Yeah, now we are.
Indian party na.
मैम या मैम
Yeah, both of you,
मैम यहाँ पे वो तो भी है मैम
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
Ma'am, यहाँ पे.
Solo. Malaika solo.
लेफ्ट से
मैम यहाँ से
Yeah, ma'am, here. Ma'am, center. Ma'am, here, center. Ma'am, center. Ma'am, this camera, ma'am.
मैम दिस कैमरा
Malaika, ma'am, यहाँ पे.
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
This center.
Malaika over here. Malaika this corner.
लेफ्ट
Is sitting okay though to talk?
Thank you. Yeah, then you
No. We'll Anji.
Ready?
Ready, guys?
Let's go, guys. Questions. Silence, please. Just give me a minute.
बस ये एक बहुत ही ख़ास मौका है मेरे लिए क्योंकि मैं मैंज म्यूज़िक के साथ काम कर रही हूँ, उनकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। पहली बार मैंने पंजाबी में गाया और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा गवाया है मुझे। Sound very different. It's a great song that he's made and it's been an honor working with him. And it's even more special because my dear friend and a true diva, Malaika, is here to launch the song. It just makes it so much bigger, so much better. So yeah, it's a very special day. आप सब यहाँ पे हैं and thank you all so much for the support. मेरा गाना काफ़ी गैप के बाद आ रहा है, 2 साल तो हो गए हैं, इतना गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. But as I always say, back with a bang, and hopefully
Better
that's what
late
this
than
is.
never.
Yes, better late than never, back with a bang. So yeah, that's what it is.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. I think it's a wonderful song. सुनते ही मैंने कहा कि आप बहुत ही अलग सुन रहे आप इस गाने में. I think whatever she's done, the way she's looked, the way you guys have collaborated, the video, the choreography, everything is fantastic. And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
कुछ नहीं कि party गाना. That's the main thing. We was thinking of a song to dance all night. क्योंकि most of the time when people are partying and they're drunk, nobody wants to sleep. And this is the main motto of the song, no sleep tonight. Regardless of anything, everybody wants to party every night, all night. Sorry? What does it stand for? Manj Music doesn't stand for it. Manj is my name, so Manjeet is my full name. And Manj is in abbreviation, and music is music. So
That's your line.
maybe. I mean, I would love to do a song with Malaika maybe in the future.
Yeah.
You never know.
That's there.
That's there.
That we still have pending.
That I have pending. I have pending.
What happens when Malaika throws a party?
We both sleep at 10.
I don't party all night, firstly. I'm in bed at a very early hour. But when you hear a track like this, then you want to party all night.
Malaika, you have a group where you always move in a group and you all party.
See your
What's your style of partying?
Give us girl gang goals as well.
We definitely move in a pack because that's how we are. We are like wolves, we move in a pack. But we don't party all night. We reserve that for very, very special occasions. But yeah, I think it's fun to hang out with our girls. We love hanging out together.
Listen, we're neighbors, and at 6 in the morning, I can suddenly feel those vibes of yoga happening in the flat underneath. I can suddenly imagine her doing her headstands and everything. It's a lot of pressure. So then I also have to wake up and go to the gym, you know. So that's the
we motivate each other.
Yeah, we motivate each other.
That you met her in the plane and all, and then how suddenly, all of a sudden, how this idea came to make this?
We met in the plane and we was thinking of a song. When we sit in the studio, see, as creative people, especially in the studio, it's my job to make sure that I'm going to deliver something that she's going to be happy with. So writing the song and making the composition of a song which she's happy with was one of the most important things for me. And the first thing I ask in anybody in the studio is, what type of song do you want? Slow song, Ron da Gana, do you want something party song, do you want like a wedding song? And she said, I want a party song. So I said, okay, theek hai. As a party song, Ajni Sona is the perfect hook line for a party song.
So how long you have taken to write this song and all? How long?
I think we wrote it within a couple of days, like 4 or 5 days. Within 4 or 5 days, we was
And
done.
one more question to Malaika. No, one more thing I would like to ask her. The day by day you look more younger. What is the secret of that beauty?
Yoga.
See, I'm telling you.
I believe you.
Yoga karo roz, you'll always remain fresh and young.
Sweet 16.
Malaika, what kind of music you prefer? Like Punjabi is always high on the chart, actually, top of the chart. But then आपको किस तरह का music पसंद करते हैं?
I think हमें हर किस्म का म्यूजिक पसंद है. Definitely
Mood पे
पंजाबी
depend करता है.
मूड पे डिपेंड करता है. But I love पंजाबी tracks और आज देखो तो पंजाबी tracks का इतना craze बन गया है. So I think it's fantastic. But music is music, whether it's whatever kind. I love all kinds of music.
Apart from Ajnes, and any song that is stuck into your mind.
Well, for me, it's obviously the biggest hit right now is Lamborghini, and I'm working with Doorbeen, and that's going to be my next release. So we've already recorded, and they're really lovely boys. In fact, जब मैं 3-4 महीने पहले उनको मिली थी, उनका गाना थोड़ा बहुत चल रहा था. They had about 10-15 million views, and I was like, गाना इतना अच्छा है, इतना, I don't know why it's not picked up as much. And in the last 2 months, it's just gone crazy. I'm so happy for them. They're really young and talented, so I hope you like that. Yeah, it's a really fun song. Yeah.
I guess you are a very good anchor also. What do you want to say about that?
Who's anchoring? In my shows, I prefer singing than anchoring, but I will be anchoring another really fun show soon, which is the Filmfare Style Awards. So you can see me there. But in the meantime, I love singing and performing the most, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. और in fact, आप लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि इस गाने का आइडिया कहाँ से आया है, तो एक बहुत famous English song है by the Black Eyed Peas called Tonight's Gonna Be a Good Night, और वो एक anthem बन गया था सबके लिए. और हमने कहा था कि एक हिंदी या पंजाबी गाना ऐसा नहीं है, which is an anthem of just wanting to have a great time all night.
In fact, this music was changed twice.
Yeah.
We made it once, and she was happy with it, but I wasn't happy with it. So then I changed the music again, and we made this version.
Yeah.
And the first version.
Satisfied?
Yeah.
I'm 100% satisfied now.
Your production, actually, Malaika, कुछ आप बताना चाहोगे? आप
अरे आज तो सोफी और मंच के बारे में बात करेंगे. हम बाद में प्रोडक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे.
You know what we'll plan? The next time Manj and I do a collaboration, Malaika will be in the video.
Yeah. Well,
Or you never know, maybe I'm working with Jason Derulo right now.
Oh.
So maybe I do a song featuring both Malaika and Sophie. That would be a huge collaboration.
Malaika, you guys have done a lot of item numbers, some so memorable songs for her. But you know, your good friend Karan said that he doesn't want to do item numbers anymore. They're not appropriate. What are your views on item
as in
numbers?
he doesn't want to dance.
No, in his
In his
Oh, in his
movies.
films. Okay.
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 What are your views on item numbers now?
You know what, I anyway don't like to call them item numbers because I think that just reduces their importance. I think they're, you know, very special songs in movies, and they've been there since the ages. I mean, Helen Auntie's been doing it since when, and many other people, and those songs become iconic. I think हमारे day and age में हमने उसको कम कर दिया by saying it's an item song. It's not an item song, it's a special song. It's made on a grand scale, it's there to promote the film, and I think most of us always look forward to great music, so why are we reducing it? You know, great music, great dancing is a huge part of Bollywood culture. Why are we reducing it by just saying item song? It's not an item song, it's a special song, and they should always be there.
And celebrate it.
Yeah.
Your views on it?
I completely agree, and I think I've always said it. Please do not tag them or label, you know, as item songs, etc. But I think I'm constantly asked, you know, the one thing I feel, I've done so many songs, and one thing I can say confidently is that I've never been objectified in any of the songs. I've done the songs knowingly, I've done the songs willingly, I've done the songs completely, you know, knowing that this is what the situation is. So I've never ever felt, but if anybody does feel, I think it's very important for them to come forward and speak.
Yeah.
But I can speak for myself. I've loved the experience of doing every song.
Amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Chale, thank you so much.
Okay.
Sir ji,